Okay, we would just be doing two problems. We want you to do the other two problems in each sections. So in the first section we got two problems. Problem A is 12x squared positive 9x. We are expected to factorize and write it as a product of two terms. Okay, that is as a binomial expression. So whenever we say binomial, right, it means two terms are involved. You get my point? That is the critical understanding in working out these problems. So foremost, we find 12x squared positive 9x. We see a presence of a constant 12 and 9. The common divisor between 12 and 9 would be the number 3. And also I find the presence of an x squared and an x. Okay, so in that case we should choose that x which has got the lowest power. So clearly we see that we have an x squared and an x, and we need to choose a x. Okay, so that when we take 3x as a common factor, we will be able to represent 12x squared as 4x, because 4x times 3x would give us 12x squared, and then 9x could be represented as 3, because 3 times 3x would give us 9x. So that would be the solution for this question. Similarly, I have 6 and 4. In fact, I have a negative 6 and I have a positive 4. Now, the element that is common between 6 and 4, in other words, the element that could divide 6 and 4 commonly would be 2. And I see a presence of an x and an x squared, so I can just choose an x with with the index as 1. So the divisor would be 2x. I can take 2x out and write negative 6x as negative 3, because negative 3 times 2x would give me negative 6x, followed by positive 2 times x. 2 times x times 2 times x gives me 4x squared. Now this could be taken as a solution. Now we can also represent this information alternatively. How? Instead of having 2x, okay, as a positive term, we can have negative 2x, and thereby this negative 3 would now become positive 3, and this positive 2x would become negative 2x. Okay, that is to say, always make sure that whenever I operate or whenever we multiply, the outcome should be the information that you see here. So suppose if I take negative 2x instead of positive 2x, which I did here, then I should place a 3 here. Why? Because it's only 3 multiplied with negative 2x would give me negative 6x. Now, having taken negative 2x, I should place a negative 2x here. Why? Because it's only negative 2x multiplied with this negative 2x would give me a positive 4x squared. So that is the way you should work these problems.